Hi, welcome back. Today we'll be going over how to activate the rabbit's foot on the 210 Fi. There's three things that we have to look at in order to activate this thing. It might be a bit complicated at first, but once you see it, you'll get the hang of it. The first thing is, of course, we'll go look at the rabbit's foot here in a little bit, but this is how you select your rabbit's foot on this mill. All right, if you look at that icon, all right, that's for your rabbit's foot. All right, you can change this to have maybe the slope here, so you can quickly go to it, or the rabbit's foot. In this case, we have it here. Now that's the left side, that's the right side. This is the button that you press to activate the rabbit's foot. All right, that's the button that you press to activate it. And that's the rabbit's foot itself. Now we'll go back there and press that button, and we'll come up here and I'll show you how the rabbit foot does come down. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is press the button so that the rabbit foot comes down and we get a reading from it. Alright, once the rabbit's foot's down, we then come back to the level pro control. Alright, and as you can see, now we have a reading here. We'll go ahead and switch on to it. You have to hold the button in order for it to switch over. All right, once it does switch over, all right, that your gate will then go to your quick switch, which is down here. All right, to switch back, all you got to do is hold that button again, and it'll switch back. Now, one thing about this is, if you remember on the older control boxes, you would have to calibrate it. On this one, you don't. It already holds it. You don't have to change anything. So that makes it a lot simpler. Now, if you're milling with the rabbit's foot, all right, switch it back. If you're milling with the rabbit's foot and you come to say a manhole or a drain or something, and you need to go over that, you can pick the machine up just like you would regularly do if you were running off your gate. And then once you go back to setting the machine down, what you need to do is make sure that the rabbit's foot is activated before you activate your automatics. All right, if you don't, if your rabbit's foot is not activated, the machine will go down to one side. All right, that might be a flipping over hazard or anything like that. Right? Leave your comments below. Anything else, let me know.